Well, hello everybody. This is Tim here at Mayberry Farm, and it's an absolute gorgeous day. Not much wind, about 65 degrees, black flies are out. And I just did the first mowing of the year. And as we've done for a few years here, I haven't even sat on the seat yet. We're gonna see if this old girl will come to life. I don't remember if I shut the fuel off on this last year or not. I guess I ought to check real quick. Well, no, it's right full. Good. Suppose anything in there? Yeah, I can see a reflection. That's a good sign. We're going to see if this 20, yeah, she's almost to the ad mark. But that's okay. So we will see if this old battery, it's over 20 years old, if it's gonna go another year. Let's see here. Now we got some juice. Choke. The odds of that, huh? Crazy. When we bought this tractor, the guy said the battery wasn't any good. I need a new battery. We still haven't put one in it. I've owned it for 10 years. Whoop. Plus could be out of fuel too. Low front tires. Tire there's a little low. There's trouble one and trouble two. That was muxy. Oh yes. Mowed that pen this morning. Drive her over to the garage. See what kind of fuel we got in it. I'll bring you back in a minute. Well, as you can see, these tires, they're pretty low. Just blow them up till the bulge goes away. Call it close enough. Yeah, the back runs pretty soft anyway on these. Yeah, I guess I ought to get out the pressure gauge while I'm right here. See what kind of pressure they have in them. I haven't checked them for a few years. You know, one of these gauges here is a low pressure one. Goes up to only 25 pounds. Yeah, this red one, yeah. Perfect. We'll see what we got here. Probably ought to have about 12 pounds, 10, 12 pounds in it. Yeah, it's only got 5. We'll put a little more in. Now that's 7. Yeah, there's no bulge. I think I'm only going to go 7. I don't want it to ride like a buckboard. We'll see what the other one's got in it. I'm going to go down back where there's a lot of rocks and a lot of other crap here, so figure I better get out the old mower instead of staving up Carol's good blades. She frowns on that a little bit. Ah, shoot. What has happened in that? Huh, an O-ring in there. And we've got 5.5. Put 7 in both of them. Yeah, it picks her up a little bit. Just a scotch more. That's close enough for my liking. So anyway, yeah, I had a little O-ring there. Must have come out of the cap. We don't care about that cap being airtight. We just care about it keeping the debris out of the darn thing, so when you blow it up next time, it don't get all freaked out. Yeah, so anyway, put that in there. So I got half a dozen grease fittings to do. I'm going to do the ones on the beam, ones on the front pins. I'll do the front spindles, and there's 3 of them on the mower deck. I'll do a couple of them on the cross shaft. I'm gonna not film it all, but I'll get all the grease fittings. I'll be back. Yeah, we're out here to the peach and the plum trees. These dandies are just about ready to open. They'll be bloomed within a week, I'm sure. Of course, this one here that's supposed to be the pollinator, you know, I don't know how many years old it's got to be, but it don't look like it's going to do it this year either. Looks like it's just going to leaf out. But anyway, I'm not a big plum fan anyway. So yeah, so these are looking, they're a week or so away, a couple weeks. I don't know how long. We got a frost last night. Had enough that it, you know, iced over the windshields and stuff, but I don't think it hurt anything. That was, you know, this is kind of downsloping here, so I'm hoping enough of the cold ran off that it didn't bother them. I don't think it did, but you won't know for a few days. Last year we got quite a few. We probably got I don't know, half a bushel off these 3 little trees. And year before that we got nothing. So yeah, I think we're still in business. So far so good. Yeah, you can see there's rocks everywhere here. This is why I don't run that other John Deere down here. We got rocks here, rocks there, rocks there. We got them everywhere. They're all down through the back. And it raises hell with the mower blades. And this has got a set of big, I don't know what they are. They're pretty near, I don't know if they're 5/16 thick or not. They're wicked blades. They're Kubota blades. Of course, that's a Kubota deck, as you know. Probably might have seen the video where we converted it over to an international. But it's all right. She's international yellow and white now, and still got a little orange on it. Over on this side, I never did do that piece, but anyway, I'm gonna go down back. Look at all the people up there. They're crawling around everywhere. That's a good thing. Carol's happy. She's always funny the first day that people really come back. She's like, oh good, they're coming back. You know, she always has a fear of that, but they're gonna come every year. You know, we usually run out, don't have enough to support them anyway, but first come, first serve. So yeah, what a day. Anyway, I'll bring you back a little later. We're going to do a tour through the greenhouses when the people are gone, because there's been some requests for some. People would like to see what's in there. So anyway, I'll bring you back later. Well, we just pulled the sign a couple minutes ago. It's about 4:30 on a Sunday, so anyway, this is some of the stuff we got outside, but we'll get you into the house and show you the good stuff in the house. So this is the #1 house, and Carol's got all kinds of little containers planted for Mother's Day. Window boxes, little herb gardens with a miniature tomato in it. A lot of snapdragons. They got some beautiful color this year. I love these ones right here with that little bit of orange in them. Beautiful. Here's some more of them. These babies are just getting ready. These geraniums here. But got more snaps that are hanging. It's awful hard to tell here how the color's coming out looking through a camera, but anyway. Yeah, the house is beautiful. There's a lot of herbs down here. You know, this is mint. Beautiful mint plants. Parsleys. That over there I think is lemon balm. No, it's citronella. They almost look identical. Lemon balms down there. We got a lot of stuff. Got to chase the water out here a little bit. These guys are a little dry. They need to be bought by somebody and put in the garden. And look at these strawberries, everybody. I'm not going to pick them because I don't like them to eat. But look at that bad boy, huh? Beautiful strawberries hidden in through there. They're everywhere. Those have got to be picked probably within 2 days or they'll go bad. So probably we'll come through here and do some picking. It's too bad to let them spoil. And yeah, I got these little babies. Beautiful, beautiful flowers. Smells like Sweet Annie. I don't know if it is or not, but they're not labeled, but pretty sure that's what it is, but I don't know. Might be, might not be. Beautiful yellows. Yeah, got a lot of pansy hangers. I don't know about a lot, but we probably got 30 of them. We've got lots of basil, rosemary. Parcel. Yeah, we'll go on to number 2 house. So this house here doesn't have a lot of color in it, but Cherokee purple, pineapple, Primo red, Carolina gold, mountain fresh, lots and lots of different types. Early girl, big boy, Jetstar, celebrity, Morton hybrid. We grow these just specific for a couple of people, but they swear by them. Better boy, supersonic, San Marzano. Those are the yeah, plum tomatoes there for sauce. And yeah, beefsteaks, all kinds of stuff. Big patios, they're getting up, you know. They're big enough to ship, but we got probably another week or so before people ought to be putting them out. And yeah, we got all kinds of, these are cherries up here, all different types. These are patio cucumbers. We sell a pile of those every year. Hanging tomatoes. Danny's are going for the sky. So, yeah, we got a few flowers in this house. Anyway. This is the stuff for the farm. That's what we plant on the farm for ourselves. Plus we plant a few of these here that, you know, these eggplants. Well, I guess we do have some eggplants back there, but we'll plant some stuff that's down here that's not up there. But Poblanos, those are a pepper we started growing last year and people love them. Hungarian wax, jalapenos, hot Portugals, Thai hots, Lady Bells, now you're into the sweets. Early Sensation, Aruba, Cubanelle. That's me and Carol's favorite pepper, really, for cooking. Unbelievably good. Orange Blaze, Ace. And then, you know, we got Lunchbox, some small peppers, and more of those big ones. And we will go to house number 3. I've been mowing all day. I was down back mowing. I got into electric fence wire that me and Carol had up back 20 years ago. And anyway, that put me out of commission, so. But anyway, let's go in here. And this one here is full of flowers and color. These are some more of the stuff Carol's got transplanted. She just got done watering this house here like 10-15 minutes ago, because we've had people here all day. So she's been chasing the watering. But these are starting to come. These are waves. A lot of people like to, you know, buy them in a 6-pack, but they are more expensive because the seed's a lot more expensive. But yeah, this stuff's just about ready to bloom. A lot of the stuff on top. You got some beautiful color. But anyway, you know, about 2 weeks from now is when your golden sales is going to be for about a week. And she's got her planting just about on time for that, I would say. These angel wings, beautiful flower. These are all calabacoas, different varieties of them. Beautiful foliage. These here, see that little bud right there? Give it another week or so. She's got stuff planted just about timed right. These here are just getting ready. Up here in Maine, you got to worry on frost for about another 2 to 3 weeks. It all depends on how the moon runs. But beautiful color this year. Here. Beautiful little flowers, kind of delicate. That's what they open up to. Anyway, we'll head out of here. Go down to the number 4 house. It is windy. Well, not real bad. Probably 7-8 mile an hour wind. But it's about 65 out. It's a beautiful day. So this house here is mostly perennials. Of course, perennials, they don't, you know, they get some good color on a lot of the foliage, but you can't control when they blossom. You know, these are going to blossom once, so probably a month down the road. And these primrose here are all bloomed, still doing great. More lilies, as you can see, they're starting to get close. Peonies. Look at that old sticky goo coming out of that. That's what the ants usually go up and they eat that all. Helps them open. But these bleeding hearts are just about going by. So people that buy them, if they're a perennial, they've got beautiful flowers. But you know, by the time the people come another week or two, the foliage will be all that'll be left. So they'll plant the foliage, and then next year it'll be timed right, so it comes out in about another month. More peonies. Everybody says it different. Some people call it peony, some people call it peony. But I was raised calling them a peony, but other people call them peonies, so I don't think there's any right or wrong. But anyway, these here are getting close. So you see the little buds there getting ready. This is all vinca. Let's see. The buds are on the way. It's funny, you go up in the height and it gets a little bit warmer, and of course there's nothing blocking any of the sun up there hardly except for the board, so that row there that we have on the drip irrigation does a little bit better. It's always a little further along, so we'll have to pull them down as soon as we get room somewhere else. Otherwise, believe it or not, women 60 years old, they'll climb up on these old rickety pallets and they'll walk up there and grab them. We'll ask them, how'd you get that down? Oh, I climbed up on the pallet. And it's like, oh boy, we've been lucky nobody's fell through them, but people are crazy. But anyway, probably everybody out there knows that anyway. Look at the color on that bad boy, huh? And this one here, just a splash of yellow in that. Beautiful. It's called Candy Shop, Bag of Tricks. More caliber colors. They're just starting to really go. Yeah. This one's called Calabasket Pink Joy. Yeah, I like that other one a little better, but they're beautiful. Doesn't matter what one you get. So anyway, these are all phlox, you know, they don't grow real fast. They just kind of do their thing. They will have some flowers later, but not for a little bit. So anyway, this house down here, you know, it's not, yeah, it might have to come in and hit them with some water by the feel of them. I'll tell you, days like today when it's real bright sunny all day, pretty hard work for Carol to keep up. But she does it. Those babies are just getting ready to go. Kind of funky flowers, but so anyway, a lot of bleeding hearts down over there. This lettuce needs to go outside right off, but Carol's growing that for herself actually. You know, like she says, why be buying it when you can grow it yourself? So anyway, hope you enjoyed the tour. Not a lot of excitement today, just another day on the farm, but it was a busy one. So anyway, don't hesitate to hit the like button, everybody, and subscribe. I'd appreciate it. And yeah, we'll see you next time.